Alright, so we just got home from the homeless care package giveaway and we have mail. So One Finger has sent us our One Finger clutch lever, which I am so excited about. Oh, I can't wait for this. Oh, love that. That looks so nice. They also sent us some free grips, so those are actually really nice. I like those. Also got the battery tender for the 636 and the exhaust fitting for the can and the headers. So hopefully by tomorrow we will have all of this on, but right now we are going to focus on this because I am most excited about this little One Finger. So let's get it started. We are going to take this stock one off. You know, 5 mil for that. Oh, I'm so excited about this One Finger. Oh, it's gonna fit so much better. Hated having this stock lever back on. Probably should have went through like my warranty or whatever for the other 2-finger lever that I had from One Finger. But I would rather just immediately get it, you know. I love One Finger and I really don't care that it broke. It was probably my fault, so I would just rather give them my money and get another one out here ASAP, because I hate this stock clutch. I hate that. Alright, this One Finger looks like a little bit smaller. This One Finger is going to be a 4. What in the fuck are they barking about out there? Alright, awesome. That comes right off. Shove that on. Screw that in a little bit.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
And we'll make sure this goes in nicely. Got all that on, perfect. So far it is, but that 4 is gonna be a little different. So, alright, let's get this in here. Screw that in. I like to use a regular, so I know that I have that. I know I have that extra tightness. That's what I was gonna say. Sorry. Okay. One Finger